Are you dreaming of making your home smell just like a five-star luxury hotel? Imagine walking through your front door and being greeted by that fresh, elegant, spa-like scent. Today, we'll share 7 simple tips to give your home a five-star fragrance easily and affordably. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Use high-quality scented candles. Choose candles with subtle, sophisticated fragrances like white tea, sandalwood, or lavender. Light them in your living room for a calming, luxurious vibe. Tip 2. Add essential oil diffusers. An electric diffuser with a blend of essential oils such as bergamot, jasmine, or cedarwood can fill your home with a relaxing scent. Try placing one in your entryway or bedroom. Tip 3. Fresh flowers do wonders. A vase of lilies, roses, or fresh eucalyptus doesn't just look beautiful. It adds a natural, refreshing scent to the air. Tip 4. Make use of linen sprays. Spraying your bed sheets, cushions, or curtains with a light linen spray will keep fabrics smelling clean and inviting. Choose gentle scents like cotton, vanilla, or green tea. Tip 5. Keep your home clean. Regularly vacuum, dust, and open windows to air out spaces. A clean home is the most basic step toward a luxurious fragrance. Tip 6. Scented sachets and potpourri. Place them inside closets, drawers, or even in your bathroom. Look for scents like citrus, pine, or ocean breeze for an elegant touch. Tip 7. Bake something delicious. The smell of fresh cookies or bread can make your home feel welcoming and luxurious, the same way high-end hotels sometimes do. With these simple tips, you can create a five-star atmosphere right at home. Start today and enjoy a luxurious fragrance every day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy home tips.